Palakpakan naman natin si Miss Harriet para sa ating raffle ulit. Yan. And kunin ko na yung ating
So this was again because I can't believe with the money that we contributed with
worth talaga. Hindi kasi yung, it's not the amount yung kasi kaligayahan na hindi nyo ma-experience. Of course, di ba?
Right.
Sobrang I know everybody's really happy tonight. Bonggang kasi kaligayahan. Kung ako nga, hindi ako parte ng reunion na to, natuwa ako. How much more kayo, di ba?
Pwede ka naman namin i-love.
Oh, I love you. Kasi sa
Kaya
akin,
dapat 58 years old ka na ngayon.
pwede po ba 1,000 na years old? Pwede naman po Diyos ko. Kung close enough, I'm 40 years old and gusto ko nga hanggang mga ganong edad na Parang
Sure ka?
hindi na kasi ako nag-i-enjoy sa life. Pero nakita nag-i-enjoy ako. Anyways, may call on again Miss Esther. Ma'am Esther, sino po yung pwede nating at representative, UTI representative niya?
DTI.
Apo.
Careful, DTI.
Ay, DTI pala. Sorry. Kayo po UTI naman. Okay, you pick 5 first, then we will coach 10, then another 5. Kasi sabi ni Ma'am, I think we have 40, Ay! Ayun, natapon.
4 with me, so we will call out 5 names now.
Apa.
Can you help me, Miss Vodka? Esther, please call out the names.
Vivian Guevara, number 49.
Wow, mukhang na yata yun. I hope that dapat hindi galing sa bidas yan, ha? Mukhang galing yan sa bidas. So, the next name is Belia Salamat Santos. Bumabaka sa Pilipinas ngayon ng billions of pesos, Wow, tingnan mo nga naman, mukhang hidden treasure, hidden wealth yata yun. Picture.
No name, number 64. Kindly look at your stub, number 64.
Number 64.
Number 64. Next, Nep Escano. And the last number 56. No name.
Number 56, 56. Okay. Let's see that already. Let's see what. Okay. Okay. Wait. Oh, so we're getting another one. Thank you, Belia, because she has won a prize earlier already. She's waiting her prize. She has 2 stars. Thank you, Belia. So the next one is Merlita Acosta, staff number 31.
Ay, nako! Sobra nanalo si Ma'am Merlinda. Bakit pinawave ni Madam? Siguro si Madam nakakaluwag-luwag na talaga sa buhay, no? Dalawa. Anyways, thank you so much po. Okay. And
Okay. Buti na lang hindi Bohol.
My God! Zamboanga first. Kasi yun sa Bohol, hindi masyado siyang exciting dun There's
yung
just
fireworks
parang
na
lang oo. Ayan.
Fireworks.
Yes. Ikaw ba, Miss Harriet, have you been to Zamboanga?
Yeah, I've been there twice. Actually, work for work.
Ako din
Always
Kagagaling ko lang nung last June, buti nga hindi, kasi I had a show there. Natakot nga ako nung nangyari recent lang Ang ganda mo naman sa
Sayang,
Zamboanga.
sana naging postage age.
Sobra. Naku, kawawa sa akin yung mga MILF na yan. Mga mayayat sila. Aaraw-arawin ko sila until they die.
Miss Wally,
I don't care if they guwapo or not. At least mababawasan ng mga kriminal. Okay.
we have
Sino po ang
Russia.
ating next representative? Madam, kayo na
Yes,
lang
we
po.
have Cecil Leodica. Please come forward. Please.
Ma'am Cecil?
Next set.
Diyos ko, madam. Bilisan niyo po.
Bilisan na niya.
Oh, ayun, hindi. Joke lang. Okay.
Luchi, number 62, Luchi Castro.
Luchi Castro.
Chi, please come forward.
Nanalo po kayo ng, oh my God, I love it. Yan po yung pinakabongga prize.
Trophy and trophy.
Number 65, Presi Avenir.
Presi Avenir.
Please come forward. Presi.
Ma'am Presi, good evening. Oh, nanalo po kay washing machine po yan.
Number 57,
57 without a name.
57.
Check your raffle tab, guys.
The anonymous person, 57. Bakit? Ako kaya yan?
number 42, Cynthia Madrid.
Cynthia Madrid. Oh, swerte naman that table. Maraming winners. Kayo wala pa? Oh my God, buti nga po. Joke lang. Ay, Ma'am Cynthia, here's your, bongga. Relax na po kay Madam. Dudungkutin ko yung pangalan nyo. Ay, yung mga winners natin, you join us here to take pictures.
Number 53, Mariki Clara.
Marvin.
Marvin.
There she is.
Pwede naman.
Okay.
Ay, ito yung number 57. Sino yung nag-claim ng number 57?
Si Jen. Number 57 is
Yes, this is 57.
But Maribig,
Ay,
is
hindi
still
na lang
waiting
daw.
for you. Wait, yun, wait.
Hindi ko po alam. May nag-claim ng 57 eh. Wala ba?
47 daw yun. Yung unclaimed 47.
Ayan, there's a 57.
Oh, 57 pala. Sorry, we don't have our glasses on.
Okay, so we'll take pictures. Lahat ng mga winners natin, guys, join us here. We'll take pictures with...
Ma'am. Maribig ko. Bongga, na-insecure naman talaga ako sa iyo.
Miss Harriet, please.
So, after the past two raffle draws, we will now have our third entertainment number. And this time, kung merong Papa Bears, we have a group called the Mama Bears. And they're going to do something, so I don't know what they're gonna do. But it is to the tune of "And I the Same Girl." Let's give it up for the Mama Bears without the Papa Bears.
So, Mabilin. Sensya ka na. Alam mo, grabe na pause ako dito sa number na to. Sobra. Dahil sa pagmamahal ko to kay Ma'am Belen. Uy, palakpakan din naman si Ma'am Belen. And I would like to say thank you rin kay Ma'am Belen and the rest of you guys for having me here. The night's still young, huh? We're not yet finished. Yung proud mamitas, guys, thank you so much. Pasensya na, ang dami kong mali. Alam niyo naman, isang araw lang tayo nag-rehearse, isang araw lang ako nag-rehearse sa inyo. And it's not really my song. But of course, I'm really having fun tonight with the bandmates, of course. Sa lahat naman nag-perform, but of course, the night's still young. Huwag mo na kayo aalis. Marami pang magaganapin gabi. But this time, we're going to proceed to our awarding ceremonies. Of course, may call on Miss Esther Dato Santos and Lynn Eliazar Shakiwara. Shinkawa for the awarding ceremonies.
Other gave their time, talent, and treasures to make this grand ball a success, as well as participated in all the activities that we had, as Lynn mentioned earlier. I know this appreciation, the certificate, and a gift is not enough to express our gratitude to the following batchmates. Okay, so without much further ado, we have 10 awardees for the night. The first batch of awardees, I would call, naggawa ko ng acronym sila yung tinatawag kong PEP Squad. Ang ibig sabihin ng PEP Squad, palaging energetic sa paghahanap ng batchmates. Sila yung masisipag, masigasig, nagsusuyod, even here and abroad, to find batchmates. And as Lynn earlier mentioned, we have, let us give a certificate of appreciation to first, LV Deguina Zamora.
Alam niyo ba si LV? Nakakaiyak. Musikero na, napakasipag pa. Palakpakan po natin si Miss LV.
At alam nyo, siya yung naka-find ng one of my best friends, si Teresa from Stroller Salvador. Alam nyo, talagang God's will, siguro accidental, no? She was able to find Teresa. Ako tagal-tagal ko na hinahanap siya. Siya ang nakahanap dun sa batchmate na best friend ko. And ano pa yun, accidental pa kasi it was, yung LV, gusto mo ikwento?
Na-overheard ko lang yung word na prawn stroller in a group of CEU. Tapos tinanong ko, sino yung prawn stroller? Yung pala sister ni Teresa prawn stroller.
So, ayun. Bukod doon, talagang every month yata, every week, group sila eh. Ang susunod is Marisa Rosales Estigoy. Marisa. Aman na BTS pa. Okay. Next is Ophelia Mo. Sabi ni sorry, I forgot to read the content of that certificate of appreciation. This certificate of appreciation is given to Ophelia Mo in grateful appreciation of your active commitment and cooperation in the various activities, programs, and projects of our CEU Balik Tanaw Balik-Tanaw High School Batch 1972, and for your participation in the celebration of our Grand Hall Reunion 2013 with the theme After 41 Years, Tayo Pa Rin. Given this 19th day of October in the year of the Lord 2013 at Makati Shangri-La Hotel, Makati City. Signed by Miss Rizalina Lin, Eliasar Singkawa, and Esther Adusan. Ang isa pang kasama nila sa PEP squad is Teresa Tan Aguilar. Let's give a big hand to Teresa Tan Aguilar. Thank you, ladies. The next batch of awardees, ito naman, we have 5 batchmates. Ang acronym ko naman sa kanila is Glad's batchmate. Kasi it means generous, lagi, always, generous, lagi, always, there, imbis na T-H-E-R, D-E-R, always there, always there to show support. So Glad's batchmate. Okay, so let's welcome Rosemary Pareño. Nasa Canada siya, she's able to give her support through emails, through text, through encouragement, financial, and likewise, and basta lahat ng support na binigay niya sa amin. Urla.
Pero nangako ako na I will be attending. In fact, I came today para makadating dito. Hello. Medyo hilo-hilo pa nga ako. Pero I slept for 30 minutes. Tapos harap ng damit, eto na. Nakarating din. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay. So, let's give Marisa Rosales Estigoy the appreciation for being a PEP batchmate or palaging energetic sa paghahanap ng batchmates. Colorado Picnic. It will be received by Daisy Melindres.
In behalf of Buffet Colorado, I'm accepting this gift. Thank you.
Okay, so last but not the least, this award is given to the, ang ano ko naman, acronym ko dito is LINK. Yung laging in sa crowd. Can you guess who? Yung palaging abala, palaging masigasig, at palaging may oras para sa atin to listen to us, to help us, to serve us, and to give her time, talent, and treasure in all through the year, through the months that we had been together. This certificate of appreciation is given to Wilma Magsaysay. Of course, lahat naman tayo, we made our own share in making this reunion grand ball a success, and we thank all of you. Have a nice evening.
Okay, at dahil dyan, naku, palakpakan naman natin lahat ng mga recipients ng awards. Congratulations! Asan ba yung aking So, ito yung ata yung pinakahihintay ng lahat. The party time. But before that, meron muna tayong toast for everyone. Okay? And of course, may we call on everyone yung mga nasa labas po so we can have a toast. At ito po ay napaka-importante dahil po, kaya po kayo nandito ay of course, para pupuuin uli natin ang Nor Fans Club yan. De joke lang. Natutuwa ko kay ate, sabi niya, ang 19 hours kong biniyahe all the way from Canada to the Philippines ay sulit. I'm really having fun tonight. Nakakatuwa naman, Diyos ko. Galing pa lang. Saan po kayo sa Canada? It's in Toronto. Oh my God, I love it. Oh my gosh. Diyan po matatagpuan yung Liberty, Statue of Liberty. It's in New York? Oh my God, ako na-inform na lipat na pala. Diyos ko. I'm so sorry. I wasn't informed. So, as Lydia, the ceremonial toast. And may I request everyone to please stand. Okay. Okay. Habang siniserve pa po ang ating mga wines. Pangmayaman po yung pinakulat talaga. Ayan. Here, it's inside my aunties. Wait. Okay. Here, I have it. Okay, meron na po tayong lahat. Oh, wait. We're not yet done. Kulang. Wala na. Okay. You get your glass na lang, then sino yung wala dyan? You can help mine. Okay, let's all stand. And okay, Ma'am Rosemary will lead our ceremonial.
High school watch. This is for friendship and for unity.
Thank you so much. Nakakatuwa naman. Palakpakan naman tayo guys. Come on. For everyone. And
Saya-saya
si Wilma Magsaysay. Taga-section G. Yes! The gorgeous section. Kita naman ninyo, di ba? Ako po'y nagagalak sapagkat tayo'y nabigyan ng pagkakataon na magsama-sama muli sa marangyang pagtitipon tulad nito. Talaga namang masasabi ko, nagkagandahan tayong lahat. Wala kang sabi. Bakas talaga mga ngiti natin lahat sa pagkagala at sa pagkakita natin muli. Pero bago po tayong magsayawan, magyugyugan, at mawala sa ating mga sarili, ay nais kong iparating sa inyo ang lubos kong pasasalamat sa inyong pagdalo ngayong gabi. Dahil sa pagsisikap at pagod ng mga namumuno nitong ating reunion, hindi na kailangan hintayin pa natin ang 50th year reunion. Kasi ngayon 40 pa lang masaya na Kaya samahan ninyo ako sa pagpapasalamat sa mga nagtaguyod, mga nagpawis, at nagsunog ng kilay na sa ganoon sa isang pambihirang pagkakataon tulad nito ay magbuklod tayo muli. Imagine, after 41 years, here we are, together again, all because of the cohesive leadership and limitless efforts of the Reunion Committee. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. At palakpakan din po natin ang ating mga sarili. At sa tayo'y nakadalo, kahit saan man dako ang ating pinanggalingan upang gawing makasaysayan ng gabi nito. 41 years, napakahabang panahon kung iisipin natin, 41 taon, ngunit parang iglap lamang na dumaan. Maraming nangyari sa buhay natin after 41 years. After high school, we pursued our imaginable dreams, acted on our passions, and worked hard to reach our lofty aspirations. For what? First and foremost, we have to have a better life, to be responsible adults, to have a career and get married, have children. Majority of us found love in their lives, got married, had children, and now with the presence of glowing grandchildren bouncing around, while there are others who prepared to remain single, I can single them out, of course. Ngunit sa kabila ng lahat, eto na po tayo ngayon, mga bata pa rin. Kalabaw lang daw ang tumatanda. At judging from our beauties, wala namang pong lahing kalabaw dito. But now, we have made the most of our lives. Our duties and obligations to our families are almost done. We deserve to relax more, bond more, to have fun, laugh more, enjoy life more, and spend more time to smell the roses. Thanks to the advanced communication system we have today, like Facebook, internet, we were able to track down each other, be it in our beloved native land or all over the world. And we all made an effort to be a part of this joyous celebration, enduring friendship. Sabi nga nila, life begins at 40. And now, that our batch is 41 years old, masasabi natin we have only just begun. We are beginning to rekindle old ties, reunite old bonds, reminisce golden moments, and most importantly, remember the sense of friendship between us, that we are here for each other, just as we were when we were instilled in our uniforms. Let this be the foundation, the start of many wonderful moments to come, where we can celebrate each other's lives all over again. The more, the merrier. I hope this event will bring us even more closer, discover ways to make each other's lives more meaningful, more rewarding, and incredibly happier. Tulad na lamang nung mga panahon na sabay-sabay tayong nangarap, sabay-sabay tayong nagtapos, at sabay-sabay nating sinagot ang hamon ng buhay, at sana naman ngayon, sabay-sabay din natin alalahanin ang halaga ng bawat isa sa ating mga buhay. At sabay din natin ipagpasalamat ang karangalan at kahalagan na maging kaibigan ng bawat isa. Kaya sa mga minamahal kong kapwa CEU High School Batch 72, we are lucky. Yes, we are lucky. We are alive. These are the moments when friends are most treasured. These are the moments when happiness is made. And these are the moments we will remember for years to come. Kaya sa uulitin, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Hanggang sa muling pagkakataon, ako po si Wilma. At iniimbitahan ko na po kayo tumayo, lumapit sa stage, because it's dancing time. Show your moves. Let's have fun. Take it away, Patrick.
Thank you, Ma'am Wilma. Are you ready to dance?
But wait, there's more. Of course. Hindi naman ako papayag na bago man lang isa lang ang bandmates, mawalan tayo ng group picture. Diba? Ito ang pinaka-essence. Dahil, guys, kaya talaga kayo nandito. Of course, hindi lang yung, yung happenings para magkita-kita kayo. And of course, this is, one chance of a lifetime. All of you together. But of course, wait lang ha. Para hindi mahirapan yung ating, maniniyot or, diba? Tama naman ako diba? Maniniyot. Okay. You're putting something in your mind which is bad. Talaga. Tama ako, madam, diba? Maniniyot. 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 Okay. By section tayo. Let's start with section A. Para susunod na po tayo.
Picture na ba to? Already, ma'am. Already.
Umiinom po siya ng glutathione. Glutathione with vitamin E. Glutathione.
Okay, wacky shots. Count of 3. 1, 2,
Waki. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh! Yung klase ng tao, isipin niya, kinabawasan. Ayan. Section C, stand by.
Come on, wacky shot.
Waki shots. Okay, count of 3. 1, 2, 3, Waki! Okay, thank you so much, Section B. Let's proceed to Section C. Ang dami naman ito. Pero para nagpapa 5, 6
Ma'am. Ready.
Picture, ready. Stand by, Section D. Waki shot in count of 3. 1, 2, 3, Waki! Okay. Hindi ba na Waki? Picture mo na yung pinakamaganda niya. Waki! 1, 2, 3, Waki! Okay, section Okay, picture tayo section E. I think you're the host kasi kaya pinakamadami. Okay, Waki! Ay, teka, wait lang. Oo. Oh, wait lang ha, Waki tayo. Sorry po, hindi po ko lalaban. Okay, Waki! 1, 2, 3, Waki! Ay, nagtaas talaga ng basi.
Sabay.
Okay, another one. Waki! 1, 2, 3, go! Ayan. Ma'am Esther, dati ba kayong balerina? Oo, inabot ko na po kasi street boy. Talaga dito kay Pistika. Okay, Waki! 1, 2, 3, Waki! Oh, sabi ko mag-touch yung kilikili.
Yung pangatlo, ma'am.
Okay. Ay, ate mo sa tak. Sumura sila. Okay, picture. Okay, Waki, hawak kayo. 1, 2, 3, Waki! Ay, Diyos ko. Dapat na nila kalabas yung dilay parang asong ulul. Okay, letter.
Trending.
Kayo big sponsor? Bakit saan ang galing? Sipin mo nga. Picture na madam. Sipin mo, taray ng belt. Tinalo pa si Ultimate Warrior. Okay, mag-waki pa ba sila? Okay, waki daw kayo. Pabigyan nyo na. 1, 2, 3, waki! Ayan! Thank you. Dapat yung parang nakagiyon. Thank you so much.
Okay. One.
Nakakatuwa itong batch 7 dito ng balat. Kayo ha? Relax na. Magagalit si attorney.
Okay.
Okay. Two more eggs.
One more. Smile.
Oh, one more.
Okay, Waki.
Okay, Waki. In count of 3. Waki, ha? 1, 2, 3, Waki!
Look up.
Look up na. Kung bakit tumitingin kayo papunta sa taas, kung saan doon tayo lahat pupunta. In count of 3. Ano po? Ay, hindi na nakatayo? Ay, Diyos ko, ano to? Inatake na ng rayuma? Look up muna! Look up, hindi ko... Uy, muna kayo, look up! At sinabi ko, look up, hindi stand up! Ano to? Recitation? Thank you so much, ladies and all! Palakpakan nyo naman yung mga sarili nyo. Maraming salamat sa ating maniniyot. And it's party time for everyone. Our bandmates, of course, are ready now. Ma'am Wilma, thank you po. Maraming salamat.
When we
Thank you.